Okay, so I just did a load. It was on the heavy. They were off from this morning, so they were not like stuck there. My egg is still on there. On the spatula as well. Pretty okay. Good. I mean, it's like it does an okay job, but then I get plates like this as well, so I might just be returning it. I'm not sure if mine could be defective or what the issue is. So at first it was pretty difficult because I didn't have the correct faucet attachment that everyone else has, or the one that you're supposed to attach these things with. But I went to Home Depot and purchased one of the dishwasher attachments. All you have to do is go ask them, and then you connect it to the bottom of the sink, and that way it still works, and whenever you turn on the washer, it's gonna work as well.